So here's the question I got asked. How can I have other people collaborate on my Google Doc account if they don't have a Google account? Let me show you what you can do, and I'll show you in this video. First of all, you got to share the video. You got to give it a name. Now I can share it. So notice down here, I'm going to change the access to anyone with a link, and I'm going to change it, instead of being a viewer, give them editor mode. So I'm going to make them an editor, and I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to hit done. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into an incognito window, which means I'm not logged in anywhere. So I'm in this document, and I'm not logged into Google, but I've opened the document, and look, I'm in edit mode, but I am not signed into Google. And look right here. This is the picture that I want. Now, I want to go show you what happens while I'm looking at this. Let me go back to the guy who owns this account. Give me a second. And here you can see I'm logged in as burrisconsulting@gmail.com. I got exactly the same view. And look right here. I want a horse in this document. Now go back to the guy who's accessing it without being logged in. It's right here. You can see, again, I'm not logged in, but I see where right here it tells me that BCI testing is accessing this file. Furthermore, while I'm over here engaging, and I just fixed the spelling on comment, I can go up here and I can add a comment, and I can come down here and say, you know, where is the horse picture? And I go look at what the owner of this document has access to, comment. Let me switch over and see what he has. Look, it says anonymous. Go back to profiles, go to Burris Consulting, and look, here's the document. You can see that he changed the spelling, and where is the horse picture? Bottom line, you can share a document publicly. Right here, share publicly. Anyone with the link can have editor functionality. I would encourage you to be careful doing that, but you could do that so that people who do not have a Gmail account can get access to this document and can collaborate on it with you. And then when you're done with that, what I recommend you do is you switch this back to restricted and you hit done. Now, if we go back to the document the other person's looking at, you can see right now, if he starts typing, you have to sign in and get back access to it because you've lost access. So they can't change it anymore. Can't do anything with it. Look, can't click. I can't do anything with this text because I've taken access away from this public user. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope these ideas are helpful for you.